Hello everyone, we'll quickly solve a DI set based upon data sufficiency and little bit of calculations. 5 friends Manan, Namit, Oshi, Pranay and Rajiv participated in an examination called Super Intelligent Test. There were 4 different subjects in the test, which are maths, physics, English and aptitude. The following table gives partial information about the marks scored by them in different subjects. The marks of 2 lowest scorers in each subject are missing from the table. It is also known that 2 lowest scorers have scored not more than 10% of the total marks in each subject. So this is the table. These are the students that we have. Then these are the 4 subjects that we have. We have been given the total marks in all the subjects. So 2 entries are missing from every column, and these are the marks of the 2 lowest scorers. We have been given that the 2 lowest scorers have not scored more than 10% of the total marks in each subject. So that means the total marks in maths is 300, which means that the lowest scorer would not have scored more than 30 marks. So what can be the maximum score of Manan in maths? It can be 30. In that case, we need to make the total as 300. So 30 plus 82 gives me 112 plus 78 gives me 190. Then 190 plus 196 gives me 286. So that means I need 14 more. So that means when Manan scores 30 in maths, Pranay will score 14 in maths. Similarly, what can be the maximum score of Pranay in maths? It can be 30 again. So in that case, Manan will be scoring 40 marks. Similarly, we have to fill all the range of marks in different subjects for all the students. Similarly, if we check for physics, total marks in physics is 270. So that means the maximum score of Nimit will be 10% of 270, which gives me 27. Nimit can score maximum 27 in physics. In that case, what will be the score of Pranay? In physics, it will be 78 plus 27. That means 105 plus 87, which gives me 192 plus 76. This gives me 198, 268. So that means 2 marks. So in that case, Pranay will score 2 marks here. And what can be the maximum score of Pranay in physics? It can be 27. In that case, Nimit will be scoring 2 marks in physics. Similarly, for English, we have total as 310. The lowest scorers, they can score maximum 10% of 310, which is 31. So if I assign maximum 31 marks to Manan in English, in that case, what will be the score of Oshi in English? See, 31 plus 82 is 113 plus 90, 203 plus 83, 286. So that means 24. In that case, Oshi will be scoring 24. And similarly, if Oshi scores maximum 31, Manan will be scoring 24. In the exactly same manner, we have to do it for aptitude as well. Total is 290. Maximum score of the lowest 2 scores can be 29. So if we assign 29 marks maximum to Oshi, what will be the score of Rajiv in that case? It will be 3. And if Rajiv scores maximum 29, score of Oshi will be 3. So now our table is complete. We can solve the questions. First one is, how many different combinations of marks are possible in English for all 5 friends? So we are talking about English. See, in English, we can give any marks possible to Manan out of 24 to 31, including both. So 24 to 31, we have total 8 values. So if we give 24 to Manan, we'll have to give 31 to Oshi. Similarly, we can keep increasing the marks of Manan in English, and we can keep decreasing the marks of Oshi in English. So in total, we'll have 8 different cases. So that means 8 different marks are possible in English for all 5 friends. Then the second question is, what is the lowest possible total score for Nimit in all subjects combined? So for Nimit, we'll be considering minimum marks as minimum as possible. For Nimit, we'll consider 82 in maths because that is constant. We have to choose minimum, so we'll choose 2 in physics. 82 in English is constant, 94 in aptitude is constant. We have to add all these values, 82 plus 2 plus 82 plus 94, which gives me 260 as a total. So 260 will be the correct answer to this question. Third one is, if the difference between Manan's marks and Pranay's marks in mathematics is minimum possible, how much is Pranay marks in physics greater than his marks in maths in percentage? So we have to focus upon Manan and Pranay first. And we have to calculate the difference between Manan's and Pranay's marks in mathematics is minimum possible. So the minimum difference over here, it can be 0 between Pranay and Manan's marks in maths. So eventually, what do we need to find out at last? How much is Pranay marks in physics greater than his marks in maths in percentage? So suppose that we have chosen any marks for Manan and Pranay in maths, but does that mean we can calculate a particular score for Pranay in physics as well? No, because Pranay's marks in physics can range from 27 to 2. So even if we calculate his marks in maths, we will not be able to determine the exact mark of Pranay in physics. So that means we cannot answer this question. So CBD will be the answer. We'll answer it as 0. Next question is, what can be the maximum percentage contribution of Oshi in total marks in the 4 subjects? So we are talking about Oshi. Let us maximize her marks. 78, 87 here. We have to maximize, so we'll give 31 over here and 29 over here. So if we calculate Oshi's marks in all the subjects, 78 plus 87 plus 31 plus 29, it gives me a score of 225. Now we have to find out the percentage contribution of Oshi in total marks in all the 4 subjects. So total marks in all the 4 subjects, we will have to add all these, 300 plus 270 plus 310 plus 290, which gives me a total of 1170. So let us simply find out the percentage. So percentage contribution means nothing. We just have to calculate that 225 is what percent of 1170. So 225 by 1170 into 100, which is approximately equal to 19.2%. So option D will be the correct answer. So that's all about this set. I hope the solution is clear. It was very easy. If there's a doubt, please ask again. Thank you.